Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology 6171485BV3 Atomic Color Alarm Clock User Manual. Specifications. Power up. Fahrenheit Celsius. Adjustable backlight. WWVB atomic time signal. Settings. Hold then release the set button to enter the settings menu. Press and release the plus or buttons to adjust the values. Hold to adjust quickly. Press and release the set button to confirm and move to the next item. Other button functions. Hold alarm, set the alarm time. Use the plus or buttons to adjust. Press the alarm button to confirm. Press alarm to deactivate the time alarm. Press snooze when the alarm sounds, to silence the alarm for 10 minutes. Press snooze to adjust the backlight. USB charging port. There is a 1 amp USB charging port on the side of the clock. Connect your external device's USB charging cable not included in the USB charging port. Charging times will vary. USB power output, 1A maximum current. Charge 1A devices or devices that are self-regulated. Care plus maintenance. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline, lithium, standard, or rechargeable batteries. Always purchase the correct size and grade of battery most suitable for intended use. Clean the battery contacts and also those of the device before battery installation. Ensure the batteries have with correct polarity +/. Remove batteries from equipment that will not be used for an extended period. Promptly remove expired batteries. Warnings. Avoid exposing the clock to excessive moisture or water to prevent damage. If batteries start to leak, remove them immediately to avoid clock damage. Keep the clock away from heat sources to prolong its lifespan. Avoid exposing the clock to harsh chemicals or cleaning agents. Move the outdoor temperature sensor away from electronic devices if interference occurs. Check the user manual for specific battery recommendations and replace them periodically. If the clock has trouble receiving the atomic time signal, try moving it to a different location or contact Crosse Technology for assistance. Troubleshootings. Check battery power, ensure fresh and properly installed batteries in the clock and the outdoor temperature sensor. Verify sensor placement. Place the outdoor temperature sensor in a shaded, open area away from direct sunlight, heat sources, or cold drafts. Clean the sensor. Gently clean a dirty or dusty outdoor temperature sensor with a soft cloth. Check for interference. Keep the outdoor sensor away from other electronic devices to avoid interference with wireless signals. Reset the clock. Reset the clock to its factory settings if the temperature readings are consistently inaccurate. Contact Crosse Technology. Seek further assistance if issues persist after trying the troubleshooting steps. Update firmware. If available, update the clock's firmware to the latest version for improved performance and issue resolution. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.